Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to record a screen in Realme Note 50. So for this, all you guys have to do just pull down the status bar and then go to right side to see the option. As you see, we have option of screen recording here. All you guys have to do just tap it and then this window appears, so that turn record audio on and then show touches on screen. Also enable it and then click on start. So as you see now, the screen recording is now started. Now, okay. After that, for stopping it, just click on stop and the recording is now saved. So now check it. So as you see, the screen recording is now working very accurately. So this is how we can enable screen recording in Realme Note 50. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.